Hey guys, I'm gonna. It's the middle of the night, and that's why I'm totally looking like shit. And I'm making this video because I just got my heart melted, almost cried because of the beautiful Jordan Jansen. He's absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh, and I'm gonna sing with him through the laptop. Makes me still want to cry. My gosh, I would die to sing with him. It's my dream. Or hang out with mindless behavior. My dreams. So yeah, I'm gonna sing What Makes You Beautiful. It's so easy. You're insecure, don't know what for. You're turning heads when you walk through the door. Don't need makeup to cover up. Being the way that you are is enough. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. When you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. Only you saw what I could see. You'll understand why I want you so desperately. Looking at you and I can't believe you don't know. You don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful. So come on, you got it wrong. To prove I'm right, I put it in a song. Don't know why you're being shy. Just look away when I look into your eyes. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. When you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know. You don't know you're beautiful. If only you saw what I can see, you'll understand why I want you so desperately. I'm looking at you and I can't believe you don't know. You don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. Way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. When you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know. You don't know you're beautiful. If only you saw what I could see, you'll understand why I want you so desperately. I'm staring at you and I can't believe you don't know. You don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful. Oh my god. He is absolutely amazing. I just want to cry. Please subscribe him. And me. Please subscribe me, even though I suck shit. Oh my gosh. I love you. Respect.